Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the webcam from a Dell Inspiron 1520. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you're going to do is slide the latches over and remove the battery. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Next, you're going to remove screw covers from bezel. Now remove bezel screws. Unsnap the bezel around the edges. Remove the LCD bezel. Remove webcam screws. Unplug the webcam cable. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For keyboards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give our video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts.